In Lesson 6.4's example, A Penny for Your Thoughts, we'll be analyzing the shape of the sampling distribution of p hat. Mr. Ramirez's class did the Penny for Your Thoughts activity from the beginning of this chapter. In his population of pennies, the proportion of pennies from the 2000s is 0.627. We're asked, would it be appropriate to use a normal distribution to model the sampling distribution of p hat for samples of size 16? Justify your answer. So in order to check if we would be allowed to use the normal distribution to model p hat, we need to check the large counts conditions. P hat is the proportion of successes in random samples of size n. So for us, our sample size is 16, and we would be calculating a p hat for each sample size that we took. Every time we took a sample of 16 pennies, we would figure out what p hat is. What we need to check here is the large counts condition to see if n times p and n times 1 minus p are both greater than or equal to 10. So our n here is the 16, our p is the 0.627, and so when we check that, n times p gives us just over 10, but n times 1 minus p gives us under 10 at 5.968. So because this condition fails, it is not appropriate to use a normal distribution to model the sampling distribution. So it is important that we check these conditions before we go ahead and attempt to use a normal distribution. If you'd like more practice with the shape of the sampling distribution of p hat, you can try exercise 5.